Ayan, kumukulo na siya. I think pwede na natin lagay yung noodles. Sobrang konti yung noodles ko. Ayan. Kaya dinalawa ko siya eh. Para ano. Make sure na. And then, we'll put some veggie to make it masarap para all in all. Ayan. So, ayan. Takpan na lang natin. And let's wait for a while. Yung sauce is mamaya na natin ilagay. Forgot to put the mushroom. Ito, mabibili lang to sa mall, pero mas masarap kasi may mushroom. Favorite kong mushroom. Para masarap. Ayan, kumukulo na. Sarap. Ang bango. Ngayon, kapag okay na, bigyan natin yung sauce. Para mag one thing good about dun sa instant noodles, compare dun sa ibang brand na nakasanayan natin. No cholesterol kasi to. So, it's good for, alam mo, lagyan pa natin ng gulay. So, parang mas masarap yung may gulay. Ang daming gulay. Pa natin. Ayan, lagyan natin ng gulay. Tapos, ako kasi ma-pepper ako. Pepper ako sobra. Para naman. Pag okay na yung mushroom, okay na siya. So, ayan. Huwag na natin siya masyadong okay na to. Off na natin. Kasi malalata yung noodles. O, ayan. Tanggalan na natin. Is the DIY Shabu na using my talagang pinromote itong cooker na to na mabibili sa Lazada. So, tikman natin kung masarap. Noodles kasi kahit feeling ko parang na-overcook. Hindi siya overcook. Masarap siya tikman. Masarap. Okay, so that's it for my short video, like how to do a quick shabu-shabu for this kind of weather. You just have your own, siguro kahit hindi rin naman kahit wala rin naman kayo ganito, pero try to make it spicy, try to make it add some twist with your noodles. No, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga separated noodles, but there are some instant noodles there, but yeah, I recommend those that wata noodles, no cholesterol. So thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my god, joining. I usually sinasabi ko kapag may call ako, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.